Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to open bootloader mode on Samsung Galaxy A05. So let's get started. First of all, press press volume down and power button together. When you press down when you press volume down and power button, until then use a USB cable and connect your mobile to the PC and press volume up and power button. When you press both buttons together, your mobile phone has been go on reboot system mode. So here here use volume up and down button to select the options and power button to confirm. Okay, here select reboot system now, and here select reboot to bootloader. Okay, when you select bootloader, then please wait, and then you wait and your phone has been restarted, and you can see the your phone has going to bootloader. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.